This is Razer's Siren Head Mini, and pretty much this thing just costs $50 and sounds like a beast. Let's just unbox it, right? Before we start talking about it. Let's go. This thing comes with a box. I mean, why not? And then once you open the box, you actually have this Razer signed by the co-founder. And then we'll put that aside. Now we'll hop on to the main thing. You get a stand, and it's a pretty decent one. And then you get the microphone itself. Then you get the charging cables, probably the connecting cables. This connecting cable is really worth the price. I mean, the feel and touch of the thing is something that you don't usually get on other stuff, which I've never had basically. And it is a USB A to Android connector thing. I'll let you know, I forgot the name. And then a stand that extends the stand. I mean, that's basically what the microphone is. And that's all. And now let's connect the stand in it. We'll be talking about why this price I think it is fair, and for $50 mic, what would you actually get? Expect noise cancellation to be one great thing in it. And depending on the brand, Razer is a huge brand. And getting what Razer actually gives for $50 is a pretty good deal at start at first. So, Razer as a brand is really expensive. I mean, it's the top in the streaming and recording, like just on the streaming and gaming time. It is one of the highest brands that seems to be a Lamborghini. Okay? Auto noise cancellation, I mean, it does a pretty good job rather than my other mic, which was a terrible incident. And I used to record with that before, either with the iPhone or a built in mic from a Dell PC. But then, is this actually worth it? And some things that this actually misses on. So, a sub to this channel would be great. I mean, why not? Please do that. So, some things that this mic really misses on is it doesn't come with a mounting stands, like those big stands that come in. You can adjust your thing and then you can keep it up. It doesn't come with that. It comes with a small stand like this one right here, and it has a built-in shock mount, not an actual visible shock mount. It has shock mount inside, and it doesn't actually have the volume features. Increasing the volume, decrease the volume while on stream. You have to do that with your software, not from directly from the mic. That is one bad thing about the mic, but I mean, it is possible it's worth for $50. I've checked the other mics out, and some of them don't actually connect to my PC. And I think that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the small one, and see you guys next time.